In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on Webull. Alerts are a powerful way to stay on top of price moves without staring at your screen all day. Whether you're tracking a stock, ETF, or crypto, the process is quick, and once you've set it up, Webull will notify you when your conditions are met so you can act with confidence and avoid missing key moments. Start by logging into your Webull account and searching for the ticker you want alerts for. You can type the company name or the ticker symbol into the search bar, then select the correct asset from the results. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right instrument, especially if there are multiple listings or similar names. When you land on the asset's quote or chart page, you should see live price data, basic stats, and a chart. This is the main hub where you'll configure your alert. On this quote or chart page, look for a bell or alert icon near the price section. Depending on your layout, it may appear alongside the current price or within the chart tools. Click that bell to open the alert options. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the asset's main page and not a watch list or news-only view. The alert panel that opens is where you'll define exactly what you want Webull to watch for. Choose the alert condition that fits your goal. Price is the most common. You can set a specific level and decide whether you want to be notified if the price goes above or below that number. Volume alerts help you spot unusual trading activity, while percent change alerts are great for catching quick moves over a given session. After selecting the condition, enter your trigger value carefully using the correct decimal places. Think about direction, above or below, and choose levels that matter to your strategy. When everything looks right, save the alert. You'll get a confirmation that it's active, and from then on, Webull will handle the monitoring for you. If you prefer a central place to create or manage multiple alerts, open the Alerts or Messages widget from your layout. This gives you a clean overview of what you've set and makes it easy to review, adjust, or organize alerts without bouncing between symbols. It's a simple way to keep your alert setup tidy and consistent across your watch list. That's it. Your Webull alerts are set, and you're ready to respond the moment your conditions are met.